harsh reality you have to accept as a woman. One tough truth I've had to accept is that no matter how hard I work or how good I am, some people will always underestimate me because I'm a woman. It's frustrating to know that I often have to prove myself more than men just to be taken seriously. 2. Unfortunately, safety concerns are constant and must always be considered everywhere. 3. My medical concerns will always be taken more seriously if I bring a man with me to speak to the doctor. 4. Being nice may make the boys think you're interested. 5. I've learned that speaking up in certain situations can still be seen as being too aggressive, even if I'm just stating facts. It's frustrating, but I've adjusted how I handle things to keep things moving forward. 6. That you'll often be judged more for your looks than your skills. It sucks, but it's real. 7. In my field of work, presently male-dominated, I will always wonder if I was a diversity hire, no matter how decent I think I am at my job. 8. If you want kids, you have to run the chance of ruining your body in the process. 9. More often than not, when I make a statement, a man will call it into question, whereas if a man made the same statement, it would just be accepted. 10. Men hearing this, I challenge you to pay attention to how your male friends interact with your female friends. Once I started paying attention, I noticed a lot of what a woman says is responded to with anger, doubt, negativity, or straight up telling her she's wrong. 11. 90% of men can overpower you if they want. You can do all the weightlifting and self-defense in jiu-jitsu, but they're still going to be stronger, and there's nothing you can do